we'll guide you through how to edit profile in Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and navigate to the Asana website. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, click your profile photo in the bottom left corner of the screen to open the account menu. From the available options, select Profile to access your profile page. When the profile page opens, click Edit Profile to begin making changes to your account information. After entering the editing section, open the Profile Information section to view the available details that can be updated. If needed, update your name by entering the new name in the provided field. After changing your name, you can change your profile photo if desired by selecting a new image and uploading it to your profile. Next, edit your profile details according to the information you want to update. Make sure all changes are entered correctly and that the profile information reflects the details you want to display. Once you have finished making changes, review the updated information carefully. Check the profile name, photo, and other details to confirm that everything has been updated correctly. After reviewing the changes, click Save Changes if the option is available to apply the updates to your profile. The system will begin processing the changes and updating your profile information. Wait for the profile update process to complete and allow the changes to be saved successfully. After the update is finished, return to your Asana workspace by navigating back to your main workspace page. Review your account area if needed to confirm that the updated profile information is displayed correctly. Once you have verified that the changes have been applied, continue working in your Asana workspace with the updated profile details.